Smack. Okay.
Hindi ko rin alam yan.
I know. Napakahirap ng phrase na yun. Thank you sa mga nakisali sa ating game. Pao Kim, may hinandang fan video para sa inyo.
Ay, wow.
I know. Turn your heads dito sa ating screen. Panoorin niyo yung hinanda ng mga fans para sa inyo.
Well, I think reaching everybody's life because it's always leaving us wanting more after each episode and makes us feel all the kilig and happiness that we can't take away and making us stay up late waiting for the midnight drop of each episode.
Every episode talaga inaabangan ko yung What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Hindi ako natutulog kahit hindi ko napapanood yung mga new episodes na ilalabas nila. And I'm happy to say na I'm very proud to be part of the Kim Pao family. Kasi talaga iba yung nabibigay nila ng joy sa akin. Kapag stress ako sa work or stress sa bahay, nanood lang ako ng show, nagbibigay sa akin talaga ng good friends yun.
Adaptation of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim captivates the hearts of the viewers as Bill combines the two best actors, or I can say great actors in the Philippine industry, and that is Kim and Pao. They really give the viewers the experience of Asian rom-com, romantic comedy. So all the cast contributes their best to make What's Wrong with Secretary Kim so engaging and realistic. So each episode actually it's creatively touch of Philippine culture, and there's no down moment in every 20 minutes of viewing time. So I really enjoy the show.
Thinking about phenomenon and magical is due to their natural chemistry. They didn't have to tell us anything. Their words, their actions, it's already a confirmation. Although it's a delusional, I'm speaking in a delusional manner, that it's confirmation of what they have, unfortunately.
For me, ito kasi What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, isa po talaga siya nagpapakalma sa akin. As in, ay syempre pagod tayo sa work, kuya, kung minsan may problema pag dumarating, alam mo yun, nag-i-stress reliever ko siya, nakapagdilan sa ayat ko. Kasi kung pinanood niyo po ito siya, pagkatapos yung panoorin, ang gaan-gaan sa feeling, naka-smell ka, kinikinig.
With Secretary Kim, talagang super kilig na parang nireview ko yung worth ko as a person. Nireview ko yung pagiging ako, yung pagiging happy person ko. Parang it brought myself back, my happy person as I am. So, thank you so much, View. Thank you so much for What's Secretary Kim. I love Kim Pao. I love View adaptation of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Lalo na yung ending. Oh my gosh, parang gusto ko na magpa-renewal of vows na kami mag-asawa dahil sa inyo. Doon sa beach na yon. Saan ba yun? Reveal!
What's Wrong with Secretary Kim kasi dahil sa show na to, sobrang busog kami sa love, happiness, feeling, lahat yata ng emosyon naramdaman ko dito. And every episode, yung matututunan ka talaga. Sobrang mamimiss ko magpuyat, makapag-video party, every 12 midnight. Ayun, thank you, especially to my mates, Kim Pao, kasi kayo talaga yung naging source of happiness ko. Marami kayong magasaya. Nakalangkot kasi tapos na. Thank you so much. And we love you, Kim Pao.
Grabe! Anong reaction ni Kim? Microphone please. Reaction nyo sa napanood na fan video.
Nakakataba ng puso, hindi namin in-expect na malaki yung impact sa buhay nyo, sa happiness ninyo, at mas nabibigyan po ng kahulugan yung mga ginagawa namin kapag nakakita po ako ng mga ganitong video. So, kung nagpapasalamat po kayo sa Kim Pao at sa palabas na What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, kami po ang personal nagpapasalamat sa inyo dahil kayo po talaga yung nagiging inspirasyon namin. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi rin po ganun magiging successful tong show, at hindi rin po ganun magiging kalakas yung drive namin para gawin tong palabas na ito. Salamat po sa inyo.
Nice, Pao. Kimi?
Yes, again, maraming salamat. No words can describe kung gaano kami kasaya ngayon sa pagtanggap ninyo. Mapa-online man yan,
One more daw po with the View fans. Pakitaas daw po yung mga fans na binigay ng View. Let's go! Ayan. There you go! Thank you, Jake. Magpasalamat tayo, Jake, please. Jake.
Salamat! Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa pagsusuporta nyo sa What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Picture, I got you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Till the next one. Thank you, View and Dreamscape.
Franco?
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumuporta sa show namin, What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Pwede nyo pa rin mag-binge watch sa View. At maraming salamat din sa Dreamscape and of course, sa aming pinakamamahal na Kim Pao. Maraming salamat sa inyo, guys.
Of course, syempre, Kim and Paolo.
Again, thank you. Alam ko, yung iba sa inyo malayo ang pinanggalingan. Salamat po sa pagpunta ninyo at sa pagsuporta nyo sa What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Habang buhay po namin, tatanawin to na masasalamat sa inyong lahat. So thank you so much.
Yes, maraming salamat again. Kim Pao Cebu, Kim Pao Squad, Republic, Universe, Kim Nation, Kim Chu Global, mga Paolo, Natix, Kim Pao Team Abroad. Sana wala kaming
Wow, may team abroad pa.
Team Kimmy Chu, sa lahat na nandito ngayon. And sa mga nasa taas, again, thank you so much. Maraming salamat. And nasa baba pala. Thank you so much. And MJ, thank you so much.
Of course, Kimmy, Paolo, maraming salamat. Palapakan natin! The cast of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Maraming salamat po, Market. Good night. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye-bye! Bow. Ulit. One more. Kimmy! Ready, Kim, ready. 1, 2, 3. There you go. What's wrong with Secretary Kim?
Happy Pride! Thank you so much.
Thank you, Market. Party!
Mapapanood ka tayo po What's Wrong with Secretary Kim every weekend. Saturday, Sunday, 7 p.m. Saturday, 8 p.m.
Alright. Well, thank you guys again. Maraming salamat to our partners, ABS-CBN Studios, Dreamscape Entertainment, CJE&M, Chocomucho, Everyday Heaven, Hyundai, Innovate Everyday, Grab, subscribe to Grab Unlimited and enjoy discounted Grab car rides and free Grab food delivery every day. If it isn't Oil Extreme, your trusted ginhawa for sleep problems, Bello, get the Swift Lift with Linear Firm by Bello. At sa ating ground sponsor, Pediasure Plus, trust the pediatrician's most recommended brand for growth, Pediasure Plus na.
MJ, I just want to give a big shout out and thank you to our team, Direk Chad, Direk Paco, Miss Candy, Ro, View, Miss Garlic, everybody from Dreamscape and View. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat.
Thank you.
Bigyan natin malaking takpakan ang team ng View at Dreamscape.
Alright, can I invite the View Philippines team please on stage? And isang photo lang, dito na tayo. This is our family day. It's Direk Chad, Direk Paco. Please, let's join. Roll, ang team ng Dreamscape Entertainment. And then after this, we're done. Maraming salamat. Garlic, let's go. View Philippines. Ayan, ito na. One group photo lang, tapos we're done. Maraming salamat sa lahat na nagpunta dito ngayon sa Market.